Hello dear students, how are you all? Today we are going to study advanced grammar of class 4. Okay, now we are going to start chapter 3, the noun number. Okay, look at the picture and read the words given below. Look at here, this is pictures and this is words. Okay, which we are going to read. The words boy and bus tell us they are only one in number. Okay, boy and bus. While the word boys and buses tell us they are more than one in number. Look at here, this is one, that's why boy. Okay, and this is more than one, that's why this is boys. This is one, that's why this is bus, and this is more than one. Okay, that's why this is buses. So hence a noun has two numbers. Okay, such as singular and plural. So this is singular and this is plural. Okay, singular number, a noun which stand for only one person, like this, or thing is said to be in the singular number, as book, chair, mango, bell, etc. Okay, this is book, this is singular, this is chair, this is also singular, this is mango, this is also singular. Okay, which number is stand only for one person or things, that is called singular number. So this is called singular. Okay, now next, plural number, a noun which stands more than one person or thing is said be in plural number, as books, chair, mangoes, bell, etc. Okay, so this is one only, that's why this is singular, and this is more than one, that's why this is plural. Okay, look at here, books, this is plural, chairs, this is more than one, that's why this is plural, mangoes, this is more than one, that's why this is plural. Okay, so we can say a noun which stand only for one person or things, that is called singular number, and a noun which stand for more than one person, things is said, that is plural number. Okay, that is singular number and that is plural number. Okay, now here are the rules of form. So the plural is formed. Rule number 1, in most of the cases only s is added to the word at end. Look at here, horse, horses, girl, girls, apple, apples, chair, chairs, cycle, cycles, sock, socks, book, books, pen, pens, door, doors, orange, oranges, board, boards, fruit, fruits, vegetable, vegetables. Now rule number 2, when a noun end with s, double s, sh, ch, x, z, we add es at the end. Okay, when the noun is like this, okay, we add only es, like mango, mangoes, tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes, negro, negroes, gas, gases, press, presses, fox, foxes, box, boxes. Now expectation in the following cases rule mentioned above does not apply, like this, cuckoo, cuckoos, bamboo, bamboos, memento, mementos, piano, pianos. Okay, now rule number 3, when a noun end with the letter y pressed by a consonant, y change into I. Okay, to which es is added, ies is added, like this, country, countries, daily, dailies, lady, ladies, baby, babies. Okay, when the last y is preceded by a vowel, only s will be added, like this, day, days, toy, toys, boy, boys, ray, rays. Okay, now rule number 4, the following nouns are changed into plural from through internal changes, like this. Here are internal changes. Okay, foot, feet, goose, geese, tooth, teeth, man, mans. Okay, this is the internal changes by vowels. Okay, now rule number 5, in the following cases, if fe or f come at the end of the word, change into ves, like this, life, lives, calf, calves, thief, thieves, knife, knives. Now rule number 6, some words take their plural form in an unusual way, like ox, oxen, oasis, oases, basis, bases, child, children, crisis, crisis, addendum, agenda. Now rule number 7, in the following words s should be added to the first element, like this, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law, sister-in-law, sisters-in-law. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. Passerby, passerby, passers-by. Now rule number 8. The following words are always used in singular form like deer, fish, space, scenery, furniture, wood, poultry, information, poetry, advice, etc. So these all words used only in singular form always. Okay. Next rule number 9. The following words are in plural form but singular in meaning. Okay. Plural in form but singular in meaning like physics, economics, politics, mathematics, etc. Now rule number 10. The following words always convey the plural meaning like scissor, trouser, hair, shawl, etc. So this is the rules of singular and plural. I hope you liked it. If you liked, then subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Okay, thanks for watching this video.